Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to use Amazon FBA for long-term storage. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen, Amazon FBA offers long-term storage options, but managing it effectively is crucial to keep costs low and maintain healthy inventory levels. First, understand that FBA storage fees increase the longer your products sit in Amazon's warehouses. To use FBA for long-term storage, ensure that your products are in steady demand and not prone to seasonal fluctuations. If you plan on using FBA for long-term storage, it's essential to monitor your inventory regularly. This includes keeping an eye on sales velocity, managing restock quantities, and avoiding overstocking. You can also set up automatic inventory removal to clear out slow-moving items, which can help minimize storage costs. Amazon provides tools like the Inventory Age Report in Seller Central, which gives insights into how long your products have been stored. By using these tools, you can make informed decisions about your inventory levels and avoid long-term storage fees. In summary, while Amazon FBA is a convenient option for storage, careful management is key to keeping your storage costs under control and maximizing profitability. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.